Okay guys, I'm just going to get some quick video for you. So just inside the entry door, there's that drop zone with an outlet. Here's your understair storage closet. It'll have a wire rack to hang coats. Otherwise, it's got a lot, like there's so much potential in here. That is the crawl space hatch, so you don't want to build anything on top of that. But, you know, you could have shoe cubbies along the side. You could have hooky things, or at the very end, put cubbies in for, you know, backpacks, that kind of thing. And then I had mentioned that a client that bumped through, because that's like a dead space there. They bumped through in their closet and they created a spot to stash valuables, guns, that kind of stuff. All right. So we come down the hallway. There's the garage access, another drop zone that has power in it. So if you wanted to put a cupboard, kind of a cool spot. Here is the 3/4 bath on the main floor. I'm gonna not step into this bedroom, but that's the main floor bedroom. And behind this cubby is the main floor bedroom closet. These poor guys. Get out of my way, lady. Okay, wonderful living area. If I recall, this tends to be where people will put their dining zone, is right in this zone. I've seen people go this way depending on what size their furniture is. And then the kitchen, so of course you have the uppers and the lowers. The power there is for the combo oven microwave. The little white lines are for the under cabinet lighting. Of course you'll have your vent hood, and then the gas line for the gas cooktop. And of course the island cupboards and all that kind of stuff. The walk-in pantry, it has an not an outlet, light switch, light. This will be some countertop, and then the refrigerator space. Then we will head upstairs. This will be open railing, meaning just like the decorative iron. Little open railing, handrail there. Up we go, up into the loft. We kind of saw this earlier. Go into the primary first. It's a really giant primary. So naturally the headboard wall here, the way the outlets are for side tables or nightstands, plenty of room for just tons of furniture. Over on this wall there's a TV outlet, and then there's this open corner, so kind of endless amount of furniture in here. Not great weather today. I wish the clouds were gone, but the view is pretty. Then in we go to the primary bath. Dual vanity, outlets on either end of that vanity. Tub, walk-in shower. A door will be on the commode space. Walk-in closet. This will be the laundry room. So you have your deep sink, and then the washer and dryer location. This is so wide if you want to put a piece of furniture in here for storage with a countertop for folding. Kind of nice. At the end of the hallway here is a deep linen closet. One of the bedrooms. All the bedrooms are really generous. Wardrobe closet here. Furnace room, that'll have a door on it. Another very nice sized bedroom. Also has a wardrobe closet. Across the hall from this is the shared bathroom, which also has a double vanity, commode and tub. And then the doorway here. Kind of cool also that, you know, there's a spot where you could have a little piece of furniture, mirror, something, I don't know, nice size bedroom. And this room also has a walk-in closet. So it's coming along. I think we are really set to go. I'm feeling very confident about timing and all that. This builder has been on time with all my other clients, so I think we're good to go. Where the handrail is going to be, you know, that's reinforced too. So lots of good stuff.